Friends, very good morning to you. We are now privileged that the Ministry of Consumer Affairs, the department has completed its Swachhta Pakhwada today. And as you all are aware, I'll just refresh your memories. The Swachhta Pakhwada is an initiative suggested by the Honorable Prime Minister and which commenced from April 2016. And the Ministry of Drinking Water and Sanitation, which runs the Swachh Bharat Mission, which we are, we circulate an annual Swachhta calendar in which every ministry and department does 15 days of intense activities on Swachhta as per that calendar. And incidentally, this fortnight which comes to a close today is for Ministry of Consumer Affairs. And it's very impressive that the Minister and the Secretary and the senior officers have led the Swachhta Pakhwada remarkably. And we are able to do a briefing on the last date of the Pakhwada itself. As Honorable Prime Minister has emphasized it even in his last Pragati on 26th of April, Swachhta Pakhwada is a non-sanitation ministry or department's high focus on Swachhta activities. It has to be everyone's business. In that spirit, it has been conceived. And Honorable Prime Minister suggested that we must take measures. All the ministries and departments will take measures which are not so much cosmetics but substantial, which are long-term solution based on sanitation side in their own areas of jurisdiction. And we are very happy that over a period of time, ministries and departments have put more substance and focus into it, and we are having better results. And we are grateful to the Ministry of Consumer Affairs that they have done this Pakhwada in an intense manner, and the Secretary has led the way. And we are able to report back to you a few activities which have been done. With this, over to Secretary of Consumer Affairs.
Good morning, everybody. As you have heard, the Swachhta Abhiyan is one of the flagship program of the present government, and Honorable Prime Minister is personally taking keen interest in this for obvious reasons that cleanliness indicate progress of the mind of the citizens of country. And if we see around the world, the countries which are advanced are also seen to be very clean in not only in private working place but also in public places. This is one thing which touches everybody in the country, and therefore sustained efforts from the government, different departments of the government, the public, civil societies, and every citizen is required to take keen interest and participate. Swachhta is not something which can be actually ensured by the government programs alone. Every citizen of the country has to imbibe this value and follow in his day-to-day life. Then only a clean country, a clean environment, a clean surrounding can be ensured. To sustain that effort of the government and Honorable Prime Minister, every government organization is contributing in Swachhta Abhiyan, and similarly our ministry has also organized Swachhta Pakhwada this year. This program goes on round the year. The Pakhwadas and special days are organized to re-emphasize the commitment of the government and to create awareness and reinforce the spirit behind this Abhiyan. The Pakhwada started with the oath-taking ceremony of each and every employee of the ministry, and a banner was prominently displayed on the entrance gate of the ministry. This not only focused on the officers and staff of the ministry but also creating awareness among the public, and therefore Nukkad Nataks were organized indoor in the ministry itself as well as outside. We were actually having planned to organize Nukkad Natak in various places, but we could organize in INA market only because of the permission required and time taken. So the officers of the ministry, staff they themselves actually conceived that Nukkal Natak, and in the ministry as well as in INA market this was organized. All the employees and officers were especially took interest in creating and in cleaning the environment surrounding themselves, their workplace, themselves cleaning tables, files and surroundings. Advertisements were also issued in TV and radios through Doordarshan, Lok Sabha TV, All India Radio and private FM channels also across the country. And our platform for Jago Grahak Jago was used for this campaign also. We also organized a number of competitions among us the staff, and poster making was one, and 3 participants were selected which were considered to be best in the competition. During the Pakhwara, special drive was taken to clean the corridors so that there is no unused, unserviced, idle instrument or equipment or any file or almirah is lying on the almirah or anywhere in the department. Weeding out of the old files is ongoing exercise, but a special drive was taken during this Pakhwara. Similarly, identification of cleanest section in the ministry, just to encourage employees to clean their surroundings. This initiative was also taken and the cleanest section was recognized. We also had slogan writing competition and top 3 participants were selected for prize. Our subordinate offices, we have 2 major subordinate offices. One is Bureau of Indian Standards and National Test House. All their offices and headquarters were involved in this Abhiyan during this Pakhwara, and they not only organized various activities in their office, but they also selected some of the schools and villages nearby their office to create awareness and take this program to the common man. And National Test House, through their regional centers in Calcutta, Mumbai, Chennai, Ghaziabad, Jaipur and Guwahati, organized this program in some of the schools and villages also. So they involved actually general public, common man in the cleanliness drive of the government for creating awareness. These were some of the activities which we carried out during the Pakhwara, but this doesn't end with the end of Pakhwara itself. It's an everyday activity and every one of us has to continuously emphasize the fact that cleanliness should be part of everyone's everyday life. This country is ours, the surroundings are ours, and if we keep our surroundings and countries clean, we will be the healthy citizen, which will definitely make contribution in the growth, economic growth of the country. Thank you very much.
So how much was spent on this program?
These are actually internal programs, so it's not an expenditure as such. We organize this basically from the contribution and support of the staff itself. The small expenditure which was required was part of the office expenses only. So there is no extra budgeting was done for the Pakhwara as such.
So will this continue this year as well? The first year is completed.
The Pakhwara is actually being organized almost every year, so it's a part of the annual activities, but the cleanliness drive is everyday activity and it is being emphasized. People are being reminded to, the activities are re-emphasized, reinforced. That's why this special drive like Pakhwaras are organized. But it will be an ongoing activity, like weeding of the files, cleaning surroundings, keeping clean is everyday's business. You can't actually expect anybody to work in a dirty environment for a year and then in Pakhwara you clean it. So it's basically to convey that message. These special drives are used actually. No, I think less confined to Pakhwara so that some message goes outside also. This program is also part of the ministry's program. Otherwise, you may focus in your reporting something else and Pakhwara may be actually forwarded. We'll give you more chance to ask me any question.
That's Swachhta Action Plan, जिसमें अपने इतना पैसा Prime Minister ने आपका पेज 2.89 crores you have committed, which you are doing. This is separate from Pakhwara, but you have drawn up this.
This is actually as a normal cleanliness program throughout the year. Ministry has budgeted 2.89 crores. This is a part of our budget.
There are two lead events that you have, lead schemes, market, Swachh Market and all that.
Which the ministry under this actually budget will be taking various activities throughout the year.
So this 2.89 crore is for this fiscal, 17-18.
Yeah, it's for the year. Under this like creation of supply of water, toilets, waiting rooms, those type of space for special clean market awareness building activities, voluntary organizations, engaging them for Swachhta and cleanliness. It's actually not confined to only to the official accommodation or premises, but in the public also, public places also these are to be organized.
Yeah, just to supplement what Secretary has said, this is Swachhta Action Plan, which is slightly different from Swachhta Pakhwara, which was for 15 days, and Secretary has given the brilliant work that has been done by the ministry. Swachhta Action Plan is another plan, which because Prime Minister has directed that every ministry should have a budget line. So this was discussed and drawn up by us. There is a Swachhta Action Plan book. What we read out is the Consumer Affairs page, financial year 17-18. So this is every minister. So we have
In the marketplace.
we have compiled about 5,000 to 6,000 crore rupees from various ministries on that. That is for Swachhta, and in that Swachhta Action Plan, as Secretary was briefing you just now, the Consumer Affairs element is 2.89 crores. That's different from Pakhwara. This is Swachhta Action Plan, right? Thanks.
So one more thing, sir, in the corridors, if you see there's so many wires hanging, it's still not been fixed, I think I've seen these corridors for last 10 years. Slight improvement, and it's quite dangerous even for us, traveling anytime, wire falls. So that work will be taken as part of the Swachhta Pakhwara program that
You are right actually, but here various ministries are there, various departments are there, and the portions are assigned to them. So like we occupy certain space, we cannot go some other space and do the work. So everybody is keep doing, and I think if there such a situation is there, let's bring to the notice of that department so that that is taken care of. But I see a lot of improvement in the building because I can compare 2006 and 16. So there is a huge difference now. Earlier, I don't know, in Saturday, Sundays, when we used to come, it's very difficult to even walk on the corridor because of the monkeys. But now that problem is not there. I had one accident where monkeys chased me actually and I could enter in a room.
That is still there.
But that I don't see very often now, and the surroundings are quite clean now.
In villages, open defecation remains a big problem. What is being done? The people don't want to use toilets.
I think the right man is here from the drinking water and sanitation who looks after the that particular program you are talking about.
Okay, but
So actually that is the intention to use the Jago Grak Jago through which we are connected to 130 crore people because everybody is consumer. And it's everybody's responsibility. It's not of the government program where government officer comes and cleans and then forget it. Each one of us have to actually pay attention to it and imbibe that habit. Because generally even you see very posh areas, when you go in the colonies, you will find things thrown up on the road. That should not be there, and we all should feel responsible. There are places designated to put those refuse and those should be used. So through this platform, which is I think one of the most popular platform of Jago Grahak Jago, we can reach to entire population of the country and pass on this message also. We have been carrying out some campaign of to that nature, and hopefully slowly, maybe within 2, 3, 4 years, everybody will be aware of this and everybody will try to contribute to the cleanliness wherever they are.
So it is still a concern, also this area, like especially consumers not that open, you know.
It is a concern because every citizen of the country has to learn to the clean habits. Then only we can keep our country clean. Actually, it's not a job of the sweeper to keep our roads and street clean. It's our job also to ensure that we don't dirty our street, our roads, our surroundings.
चिप्स तो इन्होंने खाए, पर ये खाली पैकेट, बल्कि अपने कचरे का सही निपटान भी करता है। आप भी समझदार ग्राहक बनिए और स्वच्छ भारत का सपना सच कीजिए।
There's one more.
हम सब शपथ लेते हैं कि ऐसे भारत का निर्माण करेंगे जहां ग्राहक को उसके अधिकार मिलेंगे और गंदगी का नामो निशान न होगा।
हम हर सामान जांच परख कर खरीदेंगे, अपने घर व आसपास सफाई रखेंगे और कूड़ेदान का ही प्रयोग करेंगे।
हम ग्राहक के रूप में सार्वजनिक स्थलों, बसों, ट्रेन, अस्पतालों आदि का लाभ तो उठाएंगे और उन्हें गंदा नहीं करेंगे।
स्वच्छता पर देकर ध्यान, कामयाब बनाएंगे स्वच्छ भारत अभियान। हम सब शपथ लेते हैं
कि ऐसे भारत का निर्माण करें।
अपलोड करवा लीजिएगा जो हमारे सीएम को
You should send it.
uploaded on the Sameeksha and get it sent.
समीक्षा में अपलोड
और वो कॉपी जो हमें दे दीजिए सारे लोगों को 7 से आज ही दे दीजिए, आज इसका बात करें।
in series of this.
ये अभी भी बनाए?
School.
अभी बनाए?
Schools के लिए हाँ।
ये कब बना पहले?
ये 2000.
We expect because your as a priest, your role is very important. It's not that the ministry's activity should be highlighted, but that conveys a message to people that cleanliness is something which everybody should actually follow as a habit. And if they are reminded more and more, they are likely to imbibe that habit in their day-to-day life. Thank you very much.